In today's class, we're going to be creating our book review log, and we are going to be creating that in Microsoft Word. To review some common vocabulary that some of you may already know, this up here, this bar where it says Document 1 Microsoft Word, is called our title bar. This bar here where we have home, insert, page layout, etc., we call our menu bar. And this here with all of our tools in it is called our toolbar. In our toolbar we have align text left, center, and right aligned. So for the first line, I'd like you to write your first and last name. And to show you what this does is if I want it in the center, I can go ahead and click center. If I want it all the way to the right, to the right. But for right now, I'd like you to just leave it on the left side. In the next line, I'd like you to write tech and whatever grade you're in. Then we're going to center align it, and you're going to write book review log. Also in our tool belt, we can customize our text. So I'd like this to be underlined. In order to do that, you select the text by holding down your left click and dragging it over the text you want to select. From there, I can either bold it or italicize it or underline it or all of the above. For the purpose of this assignment, I'd like you to underline it. When I go to the next line, it's still going to be centered, so I want you to bring it back to the left alignment, not underlined. And on this line, we are going to write the title and the author of our book. I would like you to italicize the title. What does that mean? That means I'd like you to make it slanty, essentially. So for example, I'm going to review Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. That's the only thing I want slanted, and I would like you to include the author's name. Now under this, on the next line, I'd like you to hit the tab button, which is to the left of your keyboard. It will give you an indent, which is what you should always do when you're starting a new paragraph. And so from here, I'd like you to tell me what you thought of the book. So I'm just going to write, I thought this book was, okay? And I'd like you to tell us about the book. What was the book about? If you had a favorite character or a favorite part, you can tell us about that. You can tell us why you did or didn't like it, why someone should or shouldn't read it, and perhaps what the big idea of the story was. If there was a moral to the story, I'd like you to include that. What I really want is for you to sell this book. Okay, so make it sound exciting if you thought it was exciting. If you're gonna say you didn't like it, you really have to tell us why. And once you've done that, I would like you to save it to your sandbox folder. In order to do that, we go hit the Office button, Save As, and you're going to scroll down till you see the sandbox, and then in this window you're going to scroll down again till you find tech and whatever grade you're in. And I would like you to write your first and last name and log, and you hit save. You can tell you saved it if that title bar changed. Check for spelling errors, and then you can move on to the next step.